also. This W, you can animate this value so it will look like the moving cloud. So you can change, you can play with this value. All right, around it's showing me very round cloud, so we can make a little bit stretch for this cloud. We will add a multiplication. Okay, for the multiplication we will take Control D of this length and place it here, and we'll change this to multiply. Where it is, multiply. All right, now we can, I'm sorry, it is not showing you guys. You can, make it small, or you can play with this value, so you can make it stretch of the cloud. You cannot take this cloud out of the box, so it's better to make it reasonable. All right, you can animate from here. You can make it insert keyframe and timeline. And you can change the value. And this will play for you. But we have one more method. We can animate the cloud X, Y, and Z axis manually. Alright, and here it is moving from anywhere, moving from everywhere. Here it is moving from everywhere with this single node. So it's a single property. Okay, we can do one more thing. Instead of using this, all right, let's delete it. And what we are going to do is Control D, and make it add, where it is add, and okay, we will take generate to vector and vector to vector. Now what we can do is, what we did here, we can change the object's size. I mean, we can increase in x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, and here we are generating more clouds in a particular direction. All right. You cannot see from like this. Let me show you from this angle. Okay, at frame 0, I created a key, and at the frame 100, okay, take this. Now you can see on the top, you can see, I think it is going front to backward. All right, front to backward. Okay, it is the top view. All right, and if I change this value, then make it set keyframe. It is going right to left. Okay, you can see this, right to left, from top, right to left. Okay, front, right to left. All right, and if we change this value, it is taking this to up to down. Okay, so you can manipulate this value, these values, according to your animation, according to your desire. All right. What I can do is, I'll use this value to 1.2. If I will take it to 150, at least 6 frames I need, and yes, this value. So it is okay. All right, so this is your cloud. You can make it dense. You can make it more dense if you want. but I don't think this much value will do some magic. I think make it, keep it low around 30 would be enough, I think. Oh, less than 30 would be enough. See, this value is making the density, you know, dimmer or stronger, and this less than value is uh, increasing the overall size of this, understand, of this cloud. All right. Okay. And this multiply is increasing the size, increasing or decreasing size in particular, axis, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. All right. And this is generating the cloud. Okay, in x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So it will look like a floating cloud if you animate these values. All right. This noise texture making the cloud, making the sphere into the cloud. All right. So that's it. We'll make it this strength to 1. Okay. Don't worry about this color. If we can increase the brightness in After Effects. All right. And you can render the sequence till 150 because you already gave 150 animation for 150. Okay, one more thing you have to do is, it is when it's going to end the animation, it's becoming very slower. So you need to make it linear for these keys. Interpolation mode, linear. Now it will start at the same pace and it will end at the same pace. Okay. All right. So this is it for the first part of making a cloud, a procedural cloud in Blender. I'll make the second part which we will cover in After Effects. We'll take the sequence render of the Blender sequence, Blender output sequence, and we will create some, we will add some effects and we will create some color correction, and our output will be like this. All right. Bye bye.